Hello students, welcome back to our online tutorial class. So, our next topic is cell organelles. Now, a cell performs variety of functions such as synthesis of complex molecules and breakdown, production of energy and secretion of certain substances. These activities of the cell are performed by different cell organelles. Now let us know briefly about the cell organelles. First of all, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous canals filled with fluid. They carry materials throughout the cell, and therefore they are known as the transport system of the cell. Now, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the other is rough endoplasmic reticulums. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins. Okay? This type of endoplasmic reticulum possesses rough walls because the ribosome remain attached with membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Whereas in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesizes lipids. Okay? The walls are smooth and not attached to its membrane. Now let's move on to the next cell organelle, that is Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. They are arranged approximately parallel to each other called cisterns. Now, what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? It includes storage, modifications and packaging of products in vesicles. Okay? Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosome. It is also involved in the formation of lysosome. Now the next cell organelle is a lysosome. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. So it's a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Now they are small membrane bound vesicles which contain various types of digestive enzymes. So they contain various types of digestive enzymes. It helps to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. Okay? If the membrane of lysosome happens to get ruptured, the enzymes of lysosome would digest the entire cellular structure causing that of the cell. And so, lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. The lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. The next cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay? Now, why mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP molecules. The energy required to carry out the various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP molecules. What do you mean by ATP? ATP means adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Clear? Now, one more function of mitochondria is that they have their own DNA and ribosome. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their proteins. Now, the next cell organelle is plastids. So, plastids occur only in plant cells. Please keep in your mind, plastids occur only in plant cells. There are two types of plastids. One is chromoplast and the other is leucoplast. Okay, so one is chromoplast and the other is leucoplast. Now, chromoplast are colored pigments. Okay, chromoplast are colored pigments. Now, chromoplast containing pigment chlorophyll are called chloroplast. So, chromoplast containing pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plant, you know it. So, chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plants. Then the next is leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids, okay, which store food in the form of starch, lipids and proteins. Clear? Then the next cell organelle is the vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid content. Clear? Now, vacuoles are small in size in animal cell. Vacuoles are small in size in animal cell. But plant cells have large vacuoles. Plant cells have large vacuoles. Now, in plant cells, the vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. In single cell organism like amoeba, the food vacuole contains the food item that the amoeba has consumed. Clear? So that's all in this video. Thank you.